Hey everyone, so I got my hands on the iPhone 16 Pro 256 GB, and I gotta tell you what I wish I knew before I bought it. Spoiler alert, this phone is amazing. First off, the design. It's really nice and strong. They use this special ceramic shield glass, and it's also water resistant, so you don't have to worry about everyday bumps and spills. Now the screen, it's a big 6.3-inch screen with a fancy name, LTPO XDR OLED. Basically, it means everything looks super smooth and the colors are really bright. If you love taking pictures, you'll love this. It has 3 cameras on the back. A 48-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 12-megapixel zoom camera. And the front camera is 12 megapixels too, perfect for selfies. This phone is fast. It has a powerful i18 Pro chip and 8 GB of RAM. That means you can run lots of apps at the same time without any lag, and you get a lot of storage. 256 gigabytes. That's tons of space for all your apps, photos and videos. It also has all the latest connections. Dual SIM, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.30, and 5G. So yeah, it's super fast. It runs the latest iOS 18, which has cool new features. And you'll get updates for years to come. The battery is much better than before. You can easily use it all day on a single charge. Here in India, it starts at Rs. 119,900. That's a good price for a top-of-the-line phone. It also has some really cool features like dynamic island and an always-on display. They make this phone stand out. So is it worth it? Totally. Ready to get yours?